The average weight of 10 men is increased by 1.5 kg when one of the men who weighs 68 kg is replaced by a new man. Now, our normal concept is average into quantity is equal to total. Now, let's assume the average weight of the original 10 men as x. Now, as I read 10 men, the quantity will be 10, and we can say that the total weight of these 10 men is 10x. Now, this average has increased by 1.5 kgs. So the new average will be x plus 1.5. Now, the number of men remains the same, that is 10, because one man is replaced by another. So one man goes and one man comes in. So quantity remains 10 itself. Now the total weight was originally 10x. Out of that, one man who weighs 68 kg has left the group and a new man has joined the group. Let's assume his weight as y. So this was the original weight of the group 10x. The man who weighs 68 kg left, so we subtracted it, and a new man weighing y kg has joined the group. So therefore, we get this equation. Now let's solve this. This becomes 10x plus 150 is equal to 10x minus 68 plus y. Now this won't be 150, this was 1.5, right? So therefore, this will be 15, not 150. So 10x will get cancelled out. So therefore, if we solve this, we get y is equal to 68 plus 15, that is 83. So that will be our answer, option D.